Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Noob Parents, and it's now time for another episode of the Soldier Force series. And if you remember, we had reviewed one of in one of our unboxing. We have reviewed some toys that is presented here at the moment. I think I remember it was this one, the airplane, the jet fighter, right, Aiden?
It's the jet fighter.
It's the jet fighter from Soldier Force.
Yeah.
And
we have a tank.
And
tank.
no, this one is before is the old one. This is the one that comes with the one with the box before.
Look at down.
Okay. It's not the complete set that we have right now because I think it's everywhere in the house. I don't know where the others, but I've gathered just in a quick moment what I can find. Anyway, if you remember, guys, I have these two guys here. They were the divers, right, Aiden?
Yeah.
How many divers do I have here?
1, 2.
Alright, and Aiden was complaining we don't have a
boat.
Yes, exactly. So if you remember, the last episode we made is that the box, it comes with the diver, but it doesn't come with the boat. So I have finally found the boat that we were looking for and much more. So get me the box, Aiden.
Okay.
So it's now time for these two guys to
Look
have
at this big one. We put guns in the
to have the
helicopter.
boat. Okay, now here is the new one that we're gonna unbox today. Okay, so what we find interesting is that they have this boat here. So it's gonna be for these two guys. All right, I don't know if they will fit on the boat, but we're gonna have to see it.
No, only one guy put in there.
The one in the tank here.
Yeah.
Well, how can you put this one? This is for the boat. This is a diver.
No, you can push the button.
Ah,
to
okay.
Make lights.
All right. Anyway, so okay, guys. So let's start the unboxing. Aiden. So while Aiden is playing, I'm gonna start opening the box.
Yeah, we need to take off the tape.
Okay. And here. And I guess we could just pull this one out.
And Aiden, congratulations for getting a good grade, huh?
Okay, so we bought this because we have just received this midterm report card from this school,
Report.
and it looks promising. Okay, so we had rewarded him with this toy.
Let's open it.
Ay, just wait a minute.
See, there's camera wet.
Alright, so let's see what we have got here.
This is camera wet.
Yeah, so we have another, what is this? It's a tower.
See?
So remember you have the bunker? Where's the bunker?
Behind me in the bedroom. See, there's camera to see the bad guys.
Okay, so it has a tower with some camera and a radar.
Radar
Oh yeah.
and then spin.
So I'm
I put
surprised.
some guns.
It's too bad that they have only one soldier here.
See, look.
Oh, where did you get this? From the inside?
Yeah.
Or you put it? You're the one who put this one. I know it. It's not included in the toy. See?
Look.
You're cheating me.
Look.
Yeah, that's the weapon that is included. Those are the
Yeah,
weapons.
we have a shovel.
Yeah, and we have like grenades and knives, which I think the other ones you've already lost.
See, look. Let's open the tank first.
No, let's open the tower first.
Okay, let's open the tower. And where's it go here?
Maybe a gun?
Yeah.
Go there.
Let's put it right here.
It's like that.
Yeah, the guy will put you.
Let's trim out the. Remove it from the back. Okay, we'll keep the.
Well, let's open the guns.
Skip the guns there for now. And Ada, you have another soldier. How many soldiers do you have like this already?
Yes. Let's open the tank.
He's excited.
Okay, fine. I'm opening it. Getting it out. Oh.
Whoa.
Wow. Wow.
Happy, Aiden? Hmm?
Where's my scissor?
See, look.
Okay.
There's a barrel.
Come here, Aiden. Show.
Show it, show it. Come and let's see the tank first.
It's a barrel.
Alright,
there's
so
a barrel.
it's quite bigger than the other one. Where's the other one?
See, look. The barrel.
Right, okay, so this is the truck. And this was the new tank, so it's quite bigger. It's not much, but it's definitely bigger. But can we put somebody inside?
Yeah, let's put this.
Oh, show it to me. Yay! Yes, put it inside. Put it inside. Wow. So this is mine and that's yours.
Yeah.
So I knew I always gonna get the.
Real.
The one. They used to.
Aiden will always get the better one. And I will get the, you know. But look at my guns, it's too small. Can I see your gun? Wow.
Look at my jet fire. Look at my jet
So
fire.
can I have the jet fighter now? This is mine now?
No, it's green. See, it's green.
This is mine now?
Nope.
What?
Green.
This is mine now?
Nope, it's green.
It's mine?
No, it's green. See, it's
green?
green. See,
That's
look.
not green. Inside is green. Oh, see, there is a pilot inside. How long has been this pilot inside?
Let's have gray.
Let's put it back.
Let's put.
Pilot
This
back.
is mine. Please open the guns and the
Okay.
bomb.
All right, Aiden. But we still have some more toys to open.
Oh yes, we need the boat.
So we
and
still
the
have
helicopter.
the boat and the helicopter.
And the boat
Let's
and the
see the
helicopter.
helicopter.
Yeah, let's see the helicopter.
So, helicopter.
Yeah, helicopter.
Where's the other helicopter? Ah, here. Right.
That's yours.
So
This-
again, the smaller is mine.
Yeah, look like baby. Baby.
Really? Thanks a lot.
Why is that Joe?
Can I have a look first? Can I have a look? Let me see. Let's just compare it. See? So we have two helicopter. Which one is bigger?
Bigger like me.
This is mine, the bigger.
Oh, that's mine.
I am bigger, so I should have the bigger one.
See?
Oh. So I should have this one, huh?
See, look.
Hey, don't ignore me. I should have the bigger one, huh?
He's changing the topic.
See, look.
So this is mine.
See, look.
Right.
My tank is moving.
This is mine. This is mine.
No, that's not.
Nothing for me.
It's yours. Look.
See? So he will always choose the bigger ones. All right, fine.
Let's open the gun.
The gun. Let's open the gun later on. You see now. Look. Here is what we actually voted for.
Where's the bow?
It's not so big, but it's just a how do you call that?
was
How do you call
small.
this one?
A boat.
Tugboat, isn't it?
No,
You
it's
can't put the guy in the boat.
Aiden, can you come here, please?
let's show it on a. Let's show it to your fans. So this is the boat.
Let's put this guy.
No, it's for this guy. See, you remember?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
You said
This is
so
for-
sad.
He said it. Now, does he look sad anymore?
Yeah.
Is he still sad?
Nope.
Nope.
He's not sad.
He's not sad anymore
He's
because
happy.
he's happy.
We need to.
Now, what about this guy then?
Yeah, he can't fit in the boat. We need to buy another boat. We need to buy another boat.
Another boat?
Yeah.
Why you didn't choose a bigger one?
Because, see, he's
You see, there was a big boat there. You remember the one with the sharks?
See, look, this go underwater.
All right. So
This tank go underwater.
the problem here now is that the boat is too small for the two guys to fit in. So I guess the other guy will be swimming for still quite a while. So yeah, so here we go, guys. This is the unboxing of another Soldier Force toys. So I wish maybe we could find this one. Aiden, look at this. Look at the submarine. It's gonna be cool. This,
Whoa.
see that submarine,
Yeah.
right?
Soldier Force.
We're gonna have to look for that.
See, look.
Alright, so
Let's
look at this
open the
guy. So
gun.
Can you
Let's-
show this one? Opening it.
we already did. We even put the toys inside already.
See, the tank is right over right here.
Can you show it to Mama, please? Aiden.
Show it again to me. How to put the soldier inside.
Come here, here, here. Show it here. Go up here, Aiden. Come here, please. Go here. Just here. Show it. Show him.
Alright, so let's see.